Hello everyone, welcome to another learning time with Miss Blessing. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning to divide by 3. By the end of today's class, you should be able to know how to divide by 3. Now, before we proceed with today's lesson, let's have a quick recap of what we learned in the last video. In the last video, we learned to multiply by 3. So, what would be our number sentence using this bar model representation here? What would be our multiplication sentence? Now, how many groups of 3 do we have in this bar model? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 group in this box here. I'm going to write 10. 10 groups of what? 3. So 10 multiplied 3 is equals to 30. How else can we write this multiplication sentence? We move the order of the number. So we have 3 multiplied 10, and that still gives us 30. I hope you remembered this. Okay, let's proceed with today's lesson. Now we are asked to complete the sentences using this representation over here, using this drawing given to us here. Now, there are 12 cubes. How do we know there are 12 cubes? Let's count all the cubes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they are right. There are 12 cubes. And there are how many plates? Can we count the plates together? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write in the box here, there are 3 plates. And each plate has got how many cubes? Let's count the cubes together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each plate has got 4 cubes. We're going to write 4 here. So 12 divided into how many equal groups? 1, 2, 3. 12 divided into 3 equal groups is equals to what? 4, because on each group we have 4. Hope this is clear, everyone. Now let's see another one. Remember, we are learning to divide by 3. It says divide 18 counters into groups of 3 counters. Draw a picture to show what this would look like. Pause the video and have a go at this. How many groups did you draw? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back, everyone. Now the instruction says divide 18 counters into groups of 3 counters. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. This is one group of 3. 4, 5, 6. This is another group of 3. 7, 8, 9. I hope you can observe I'm counting forward in threes because we've been asked to divide it into groups of 3 counters. So 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is another group of 3. 13, 14, 15. Another group. 16, 17, 18, another group. Am I going to continue going? No, I'm going to stop because we have how many counters at the beginning? 18 counters, and we're asked to divide these 18 counters into groups of 3 counters. Now, they want to find out from us how many groups did we draw. So let's count how many groups we drew. We have one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have how many groups? 6 groups of 3. Thumbs up if you got it correctly. Well done, everyone. Now, on this slide, we are going to be using the number line to divide by 3. Now, it says there are 27 cakes. A box can hold 3 cakes each. How many boxes of 3 cakes can be filled? Use the number line to help you. Now, when we are dividing by 3 using the number line, we draw a number line that shows up to the number, the total number that has been given. As you can see from this number line, we have 0 to 27. Why did we stop at 27? Because our total number of cakes is what? 27. Now we are going to do 3 jumps backward to find how many boxes can be filled. Because we're told a box can hold 3 cakes, so we are going to be making 3 jumps. Remember, we are learning to divide by 3. So from 27, we made 3 jumps already, and we ended at 24, counting backward in threes. So we have 27, 24, 21, 18, and then from 18 we move to 15, from 15 we move to 12, from 12 we move to 9, from 9 we move to 6, from 6 we move to 3, and from 3 we move to 0 until we get to 0 before we stop, starting from the number, the total number we've been given. Now let's count how many jumps we were able to make counting in threes. The total number of the jumps tells us the total number of boxes that can be filled with 3 cakes. So let's count together. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 boxes of 3 cakes can be filled. Why? Because 9 times 3 or 9 multiplied 3 would give us 27. I hope you understood this, everyone. Now, the next question says complete the bar model for the division 33 divided by 3 is equals to 11. Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back, everyone. So, how do we figure this out? 33 divided by 3 is equals to 11 groups. So, there are 11 groups of 3. So, on our bar model, we need to have 11. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 3, 3, 2 threes, 3 threes, 4 3, 5 threes, 6 threes, 7 threes, 8 threes, 9 threes, 10 threes, and finally 11 threes. So this would be our bar model representation when we divide by 3. There are 11 groups of 3. 33 divided by 3 is equals to 11. I hope you understood today's lesson. Let me know how you felt about today's lesson, and I will see you in our next video. Remember, practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more you get good at it. See you in my next video. Bye, everyone.